This plan is too crazy. But I love it.
Wait.
You've been stealing again.
Do you even know what that means? Aren't you the one who came here drunk?
Above it. Where?
What a disgrace.
Just mind your own beeswax. I have a plan that will give you your jobs back.
It's about time.
Ain't Noma.
I'll bring them to you tonight.
This company has a lot going on underneath the surface.
This is big.
You shot someone?
I don't know anything.
The police are already here. Forget about the job.
I'm so sorry.
I know you feel for me.
You know, I think you should be in jail.
On what grounds?
I want you to get me every information you find or hear about the case.
You're the biggest mistake of my life.
You left with no choice.